So I was briefing you that how to create a function. Function is what? To do a repeated task. To simple the repeated task. Repeated task is what? Print hello Gautami. It is a statement. So I want to get print statement for hello Gautami. How many times? 10 times. So every time I need to copy paste 10 times. Okay. See, now I have kept triple quotes here. What do you mean of triple quotes in Python? Triple quotes means multiple line comments, multi-line comments. Now these all lines kept under multi-line comments. Multi-line comments means if I kept triple quotes, so these line of code will not be read by the Python is a translator, compiler based translator program, otherwise interpreter based program. Interpreter based or compiler based? Huh? Interpreter based. So now Python interpreter, it will not read these lines of code. Okay. Now you will get only printout of for these 4 statements. You are getting what? See, how many lines you are getting? Only 4 lines. Why this code? It was not executed. Why? Because I have kept a multi-line comments. For single line comments, what? Which symbol we will use? Otherwise, I need to keep single line comments. Every line, in front of every line, I need to keep what? Hash. In front of this line, I need to keep hash. It is time wasting. It is called what? It is what do you mean? It is time waste. In front of every line, I need to keep what? Hash. If I keep hash in front of any line, that line is called commented, single line comment. If I run this code, same. Okay. So all these lines are commented, single line. So rather than keeping every line, so 1,000 lines are there. 1,000 lines I want to keep them in comment section. I don't want to run that code. So I need to do in front of that line, simply you keep single line, triple quotes. And at the end of that, you need to keep triple quotes. No need of this hash. If you keep hash, there is no any meaning. Triple quotes. Understood that? Okay, if you run this code. Okay, so these lines, total lines kept under triple quotes. Triple quote means this line of code will not be executed. So these 4 statements you have written to get the hello Gautami, hello Gautami, hello Gautami. So if I want to get 100 lines, so I need to copy and paste 100 times. How many times I need to do? 100 times. 100 times. So then I have created a function with the if I have used def keyword. Def keyword will be used to create the function. What is your function name? Your motive is what? Function name always will be kept as suitable to the task. Your task is what? To call Gautami. My task is I want to call Gautami 100 times. It is my task. Okay. So I have kept my function name is call Gautami. So in Python, def keyword will be used to create a function. Okay. Then def keyword used, then I need to keep a suitable name for my function. So the function name always will be kept suitable to your task. Specific. We have studied print. What is the function of print? To get the output on the screen. To print the output on the screen. So that's why print. Type function. To know which type of data. Type of data. Type function. Length. To know the length of the data. That given data. So len function. So as per my function is what, my task is what, to call Gautami. So I have kept my function name call Gautami. Then after you need to keep the parenthesis. I told you that parenthesis. brackets. Simply they are called brackets, but in programming they are called brackets parenthesis. Then after colon. Now within this, try to understand what I did here. Now if I run this code, error is where? Okay, this is call Gautami, okay. This is okay, print hello Gautami, this is star 4 times end operator. Okay, I need to use ఏం చెప్తుంది ఇది? Python is interpreter based program. So indentation called margin. So once a function is created, after that whatever the instruction you keep they need to give somewhat margin, because now here print function, here you have not given any margin. See, under that once def function started, then after whatever the instruction statement you write, we need to give some margin. That is the indentation. 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, 4. Normally I will give 4 space, 1 tab. Now what happened? Python interpreter understood that this instruction that is part of your function. Understood that if you will not give any space here, so it feel that this statement is separate. So always, if now I want to get print, this print statement, it is to be part of this function. So now whenever I run this code, what happened, right? The same, see, this is manually every time copy and paste. This is what? So for this I am keeping triple quotes. This print, I am keeping triple quotes as a comment. Now if I run the code, see what happened. So this total printout 4 times, this is run by calling of your function only. By calling of your function. See, here I have used one operator. I will explain what it is, okay? Now I am removing this. Then what happened? Now if I run this code, I will get only, okay. This is also one more remove I have removed here. I will explain later. So you are getting what? Hello Gautami, hello Gautami, hello Gautami. See, you are getting the output as horizontal output, and then this hello Gautami mixing. See, your words are mixing. Hello is mixing with Gautami, but I want to get some separate between. Hello Gautami is a string. I want to keep hello Gautami here. Okay. So now the output is vertical rather than horizontal. And the horizontal also. So here I have used one operator that is called end is equal. This is the syntax. If you want to get output as in vertical, you need to use end is equal to this double quotation marks. Okay. Now by this operator, we will get the output in vertical. So before that also one character. This is called line space character. Line space character is used. So before that you have seen the output as Gautami and hello, they are mixing. There is no any space. That moment I have used here hello Gautami. After that, this is called as line space character. Line space character. Next line character. So next line character. So what I did here, call Gautami function called one time. If I want to get again printout, so I will call Gautami again. Now how many times you will get the output here? So 8 times. So if I want to get one more time, just I will call what? I will call what? Your function name. What is your function name? What is the function name? Call Gautami. Run this. So if I want to 100 times, simply I will change in my code. This is what? If I change 100. So okay. So you will get printout, but how many times you will get printout? How many times you have called your function? How many times you have called your function?
3 times.
3 times into 3 into 100. 300 times printout you will get. This is the magic of the functions. You go there, get down, go there. How many times are there?
300.